Okay, here we are in week 5. This week we are focusing on The Merchant of Venice, Act 4 in this copy. Make sure you're reading this copy from this copy, the one that you got at orientation, so that you can read the annotations that are on the left side. You can also read the No Fear Shakespeare and listen to it, but make sure you're also reading this version of it because a lot of the quiz questions will come from that and the explanations. This week we have, after you read Act 4, take this Check Your Understanding quiz. And then we're going to talk a little bit about poetic meter because Shakespeare's language is very poetic. Even though it isn't a poem, the language is poetic. And it's very important to discuss things like iambic, pentameter, and the different meters that are going on as you read. So watch this instruction and then there'll be a short quiz on poetic meter. So make sure you're taking notes while you watch this video. Moving on, we're going to talk about the similarities and differences between Portia and Shylock. I think these are two of the most interesting characters that you'll come across in the book. And for many different reasons, of course. Portia being the love interest, but also a very strong woman that dresses up like a man and acts like a lawyer. So that's pretty interesting for that time. And then Shylock is just, of course, the villain, but such a complex character. So we're going to talk about these two really interesting characters, and you're going to read this essay that compares the two and talks about their similarities and differences. And that's what I want you to think about. And then we're going to have a discussion forum where you discuss the similarities and differences between Portia and Shylock. You're going to post twice and reply at least once to a peer. Then we have some grammar review. There's some videos and some check your understanding quizzes. These are very important because you're going to be writing this week. There's a quiz on Act 4. This will be just your typical multiple choice quiz. And then at the end of the week, after you write or watch these resources that help you understand how to write good paragraphs, you are going to have the second part of the quiz, which will be a written portion of the quiz. So there's a different quiz for Tier 1 and General, but both are written responses to what you've read. That's the week. Let me know if you have any questions. Remember to start getting ready for the 20 lines that you'll need to perform of Shakespeare in week 5. So I'm really looking forward to that. Start looking through and memorizing 20 lines. And then also, if you have not signed up and had your Google Hangout, you can still sign up. There's a sign up in week 1. If you missed your time, then you're probably out of luck unless there's still some extra times to sign up, and you can ask me for permission for that. Anyway, that's the week. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoy it.